The Maverick must clear the air this evening and declare that me not have nothing to do with the Mount Pleasant firing of Coach Donovan Duke. Second down, just for the record, when I made my Crystal Coconut RSPL prediction, all I did was to pick Mount Pleasant to win the league with a little condition. I said nothing about firing anybody. Listen what was said. Listen. According to the Crystal Coconut plus my Maverick analysis, the 2020 Red Stripe Premier League champions will be Mount Pleasant Football Academy. Yes. Not sure who the coach will be at the end of the season, but Mount Pleasant it will be. Yes. You hear that? I never even called a name. I mean, sports commentary is an international program, and Mr. Gould and the rest of the Mount Pleasant execs watch the big program. But my information is that the Mount Pleasant boss doing cost-benefit analysis, and he never felt he was getting value for money from Dookie for the nearly $20 million invested in the Mount Pleasant Premier League team. And remember, football is still a results business. And Dookie lose the first match, and the man them not take no chance. Dookie out, he got back in. The Maverick hands clean. The Maverick hands clean. It's not me for Dookie. It's Dookie for himself. My hands are clean. My hands are clean.